Welcome to The Explainer. Look, today we are completely mastering the Outlier referral bonus strategy. I know a lot of people just glance at that referral tab on their dashboard and, they assume it's just for big influencers with massive followings. But today, we're pulling back the curtain on the back-end algorithm to shift you from just a casual user into a highly strategic earner.
Okay, let's dive into this. $500. Let that sink in for a second. That is the massive bonus potential that so many of you are literally leaving on the table right now. And guys, I'm not talking about a one-time fluke here. When you actually understand the mechanics of this system, you can see these bonuses hit your account regularly. Earning a bonus like this in a single week, it's entirely possible. But to unlock this kind of income multiplier, we have to stop treating the referral system like a random lottery ticket and start treating it like a highly specific set of instructions.
To actually get to that $500, we really need to address a stark contrast. See, the amateur mistake is link spamming. This is when someone just copies their referral link, blasts it across every form, drops it in random social media comments, and basically just hopes that anyone, clicks on it. It's like throwing spaghetti at the wall to see what sticks. And what happens? Well, they get a flood of low-quality signups and their account gets flagged. The professional way, and the strategy we're locking in on today, is targeted recruiting. Instead of being a spammer, you need to start viewing yourself as an authoritative talent scout. You aren't just looking for everyone, you are looking for the exact right someone.
Now, to truly grasp why being a talent scout is absolutely essential, we've got to look under the hood. Speaking as a senior data professional, I really need you to understand that this referral system isn't just a basic, dumb tracking link. It's a highly sophisticated algorithm, and it actively monitors the quality of the inputs you're providing. If you feed this system low-quality users, people who sign up and never complete a single task, or they immediately fail their assessments, you actually fail the algorithm's test. Doing this completely ruins your referral conversion rate. The system learns, very quickly, that your leads are basically useless, and it will shut down your ability to earn those bonuses entirely. It demands high-quality inputs, period.
Knowing that the algorithm literally craves quality, your whole strategy has to pivot to targeted referrals only. Quality beats quantity every single time, no contest. You should be actively seeking out users who have specific, high-demand technical skills. We're talking about hunting down SQL experts or specialists in RLHF, right? Reinforcement learning from human feedback. These are the top-tier skills that Outlier desperately needs right now. Actually, scratch that. It's not just about finding them. It's about giving the algorithm exactly what it's begging for. When you bring these specific types of professionals to the platform, you don't just help them land a great gig, you trigger much faster, significantly more reliable bonus payouts for yourself.
And this brilliantly illustrates Outlier's core business logic. Think about it. Your referral signs up, they pass the initial assessment exam, they put in a required number of hours, let's say 20 hours for example, and then finally, you get paid. Why on earth does Outlier structure it this way? Because sourcing, vetting, and onboarding high-quality data trainers is an incredibly expensive, time-consuming process for them. They are more than happy to pay you a handsome bonus because you're essentially doing the heavy lifting of a corporate tech recruiter. You're saving them massive amounts of time and money by delivering vetted, ready-to-go talent right to their doorstep.
All right, let's pause for a second and test your knowledge of the platform's rules with a real-world scenario. Imagine this. Your highly qualified referral passes everything, gets straight to work, and completes exactly 19.5 hours. But suddenly, their specific project just ends through absolutely no fault of their own. They're exactly half an hour short of the goal. What happens? Do you still get the $500 bonus? Do you get some kind of prorated amount, or do you just lose it all? Think about what your answer would be.
Well, if you guess that you lose it all, you might actually be pleasantly surprised. Outlier actually implements this really smart partial payout logic. The system recognizes that project availability can and does fluctuate. If your referral successfully passes the initial assessment and completely clears those incredibly strict ID checks, they are officially validated as a high-quality user. So if they slightly miss the hour threshold simply because a project concluded early, the internal logic often triggers a partial payout just to reward you for bringing in verified talent. But listen closely. The non-negotiable factor here is that they absolutely must pass that initial setup and ID verification. That is the ultimate hurdle.
Let's challenge you with a second interactive scenario. And honestly, this one is a bit darker. Let's say you ignore literally everything we've talked about today. You revert right back to that amateur strategy. You go into some massive public make money online Facebook group and just drop your referral link for everyone to see. Naturally, you get a massive spike in clicks and 100 people sign up. Awesome, right? But wait, they are totally unqualified and all 100 of them fail the initial assessment. What exactly does this massive wave of failed applicants do to your account standing?
Behind the scenes, this all comes down to your trust score. This is your internal algorithmic rating on the platform, and it is highly sensitive to your referral conversion rate. When you blindly dump 100 failed applicants into the system, your trust score absolutely tanks. The algorithm instantly labels you as a low-quality lead generator, and the result? Your active referral status is completely ruined. Your links might stop tracking, your bonuses get frozen, and you effectively lock yourself out of this entire income stream. This right here is the extreme danger of that link spamming strategy.
So how do the real professionals protect their trust score? They build a bridge. You don't just hand a prospect a link and walk away hoping for the best, you guide them. To protect your own metrics, you have to ensure your referrals actually pass that initial assessment. The professional way is to provide your referrals with a clear step-by-step setup guide or some basic training. You hold their hand through the onboarding process. By prepping them for the exam and making sure they fully understand the platform's requirements, you dramatically increase their chances of passing. When they succeed, your trust score stays high and you safely secure your payout. It's a win-win.
So the crucial point is this: you cannot outsmart the security architecture. Let me deliver a hard truth about account safety real quick. The absolute #1 cause for permanent account bans on this platform is referral fraud. Do not, ever, try to game the system by creating multiple accounts to harvest those bonuses yourself. It will not work. The system aggressively tracks IP addresses, and it even tracks hardware MAC addresses. They know exactly where every single login is coming from. Trying to cheat the system won't just cost you your bonuses, it's going to cost you your entire main account and your actual job on the platform.
I really want to leave you with this one core principle today. Build your income with integrity. This referral program, it isn't some quick cash grab. It's a highly legitimate avenue for recurring bonus income, but only if you act as a true talent scout. Protect your metrics, find those high-quality experts, and build your earnings the smart way. But, it begs a much larger question to think about. If an algorithm is strictly grading your referrals right here, what other invisible systems in your remote work life are secretly scoring your performance right now?